Hello students, myself Mohammad Fariduddin. I am teaching you third part of your first chapter Python revision tour. Okay, so let's start. So students, this topic is data type. Okay, so firstly I will discuss you. This is the tree formation of data types. In those main there are sub parts: number, none, sequence, mapping. Okay, these are the data types. So in those, number are carrying integer, floating point, complex, and also integer store boolean. So this is the part of numbers. Okay, then next is none. None is a special type of data. There have no value will be stored in this. Then the next is sequence. Sequence also describes string part, tuple, list. Okay, and the last one is mapping. Mapping is storage by dictionary. So one by one I have to be discussed today. Next, next is so first is data types for numbers. Okay, I have mentioned one by one. The data type numbers means those are to be store numbers like integers, and integers are signed booleans, two types. Okay, next number is floating point. Those are store decimal number, decimal. Okay, next is complex. Complex always store a number like a plus b I, where a is real and bi represent imaginary. Okay, imaginary, those are to be used in a mathematics. Okay, so one thing is integer. Integer defined by int, represent by data type int. Those are the built function in our Python library. In this int I stored signed integers, means positive and negative integers. In those there have no any fractional values. We have to be represent our integer is 1, 15, 17. Okay, non decimal values. Clear? So next is boolean. Okay, I first is read integer part, and next is boolean. Boolean given by Sir George Boole means value given by if condition is true or false. So we have to be discuss conditional based questions, logical based questions like true and false are used to be defined. Okay, next I also will described it, but I again describe you. In Python, floating point number represent machine level, so means 15 digit precision. Okay, in those you have to be store non fractional values, means 1.5 minus 1.5. Okay, both values are used to be stored in the form of decimal. Clear? So next is complex number. In complex number we are represented in the form of a plus bi. Those are always represented. A belongs to real and b belongs to imaginary part. Those are the use in our mathematics student. Okay, a complex number, those are solve some types of problem which are two parts are included. First is real part and another is imaginary part. I hope to clear. So next is data type for string. Students, everyone have know those string are stores character type. means letters, numbers and special characters. Okay, so those are to be shown in Unicode form, because multiple type of language are to be used in those system. So we have called Unicode characters. Okay, Unicode character is a same system designed to represent every character from every language. Different region and different language is to be stored in our Unicode character. Those are the example which is to be represent like this and this. In string you have to condition, we have to be write a string, you must be write single quote or double quote. Okay, and write a b c both. Okay, a b. Okay, I have to be understand string type. So next is list. Students, I firstly go you our map where the list is to be performed. Okay, so students, where I have to be show in a map tree formation, those are list. List is to be mentioned in a sequence part. List here show tuples and string are is to be read in sequence. Okay, so come on our discussion. In those, list are used like a general list. You have to be purchase some items, so you have to be mentioned in our list like a like a rice, oil, etc, etc, etc. Okay, same type of work are in a list. List though has to be use square brackets, and every elements take a separated by comma. Okay, those are is to be mentioned in a line. This is the example of list. 1 2 3 4 everyone are is to be separated by comma, like a string a e I o u. A is of a e I o u is shown string type. String type. Okay, then those is the mixed list. Ramesh, in those we have to be careful about brackets. Bracket is to be used square bracket. Okay, this is the list. So next is tuple. Tuple, here the mutables, sorry, non-mutable, they have to be no change in our sequence. Those are used to be given here. Okay, at the time of running. Tuple are represent, tuple are represent a group of comma separated value of data type within parenthesis. Within parenthesis. Okay, here we have to be use parenthesis. Those brackets shows parenthesis. Okay, those are to be stored by a variable p q r h. Okay, those are the variable which hold the values in our separated form 4 5 6 7 8 and 2 4 6 8 a e I o u, and another is mix 9 8 7 a b and c. Okay, those are the non mutable, means not changeable. Those are to be discussed in our next slide. Okay, next is dictionary. Dictionary always work as in the sequence, because those are the part of the sequence. So in those, dictionary have taken two parts. First is key, another is value, means a is to 1. So a is key where to search, and a always store the value is 1. Okay, so this is the key value pairs using curly brackets. In list we have to be uses square bracket. In tuple we have to be uses parenthesis small brackets, and dictionary we have to be uses curly brackets. Okay, this is the curly bracket. Clear? Those are shown in the beginning and last. Okay, so next is mutable and immutable. Mutable, firstly I will discuss mutable. Mutable means changeable, means we have to be store in the values in our list, then after some time we have to be changed, so we have to be changed easily. In mutable, mutable using list, dictionaries, sets not to be discussed, but here list and dictionaries are used to be discussed. Mutable objects. Okay, here's the example we have to be understand easily. There is a chk, check, this is the variable. Variable, okay, those are to be stored 2, 6 and 9. It will change the index 1. Okay, index 1 here shown, this is the index 1. Index 1 value is stored 6, so we have changed the index 1 value by 60 here to be right, so the result is to be changeable 269, which are replaced to 6. Okay, understand mutable process. Next is immutable. In those the value is to be not to be changed, there is shown a non changeable. Okay, in the mutable type those values can never change their value in place, those are the fixed value. Objects are shown in integers, float, booleans, string and tuples. Those are to be fixed, true and true, false and false. Integer values 5, 6 both are. Okay, here we have to be showing an example. Those stored p, q and r, three variables. Okay, those are to be stored the similar value, means p stores 5, q stores p and r store 5. In those q store p, p always store value 5. Okay, they represent the same value. P, q and r stored the value is 5. Those are used to be mentioned in the box. All variables having same value reference and same value objects, that is p, q, r. Okay, I hope to be understand. Next is expression. Expression, those are students, in expression we have to be discuss, though both operations are to be performed, means composed one or more operations. It is valid combination of operators. Okay, they have to be used number of operators, literals and variables. Okay, literals and variables here to show. In those, firstly describe it. Python can be any type. Okay, expression, different type of expression like a plus b, then c into 2 means c square. Okay, so those are to be shown. How are the types in Python expression? The first is arithmetic expression. Those are to be shown multiple operator. In example, 2 plus 5 into and into 3 means 2 plus 5 cube means 2 plus 125. That's the result is 127. This is the result. Okay, so those are to be performed multiple operator. Okay, those in those we have to be care in the sequence in arithmetic expression. Okay, so next is string expression. Example, and then, those are the use concatenation. I have to be right in the figure, but those are skip on those portion. So I hope to be understand for this process is resulted and then. Okay, and then concatenation process you have to be learned also in 11th class. Okay, in class 11. Next is relational expression. Relational expression, sometime x greater than y, x not equal to y, other properties is to be shown. Relational expression. Next is logical. We have to be use logical questions, means a or b, sometimes taken a or taken b, means if condition is true then pass is a, then another is b. Okay, then show always not c or not b, means not c or not b, those are not to be belonged. Next is typecasting. We have to be used in a Python for data type casting. Okay, in those mixed data types. Okay, as we know, expression may be consist of mixed data type. Such changes, Python change the type of operands internally in the condition of implicit. Implicit means those values are is to be changeable. In the case of result, internally those are changed by interpreter. Interpreter, because we have to be use interpreter in Python, not a compiler. Okay, interpreter interpret, execute the values line by line, we have also learned. So in this process he have to be changed internally, internal process using implicit, and other process is explicit, those are shown next page. An explicit conversion is used defined conversion that forces an expression to be of specific type is also known as type casting. Here we write the syntax, means in those he change external, externally, externally. Okay, change externally means change by user, user defined conversion. Okay, those are to be mentioned by user. Okay, then change their values, those are shown in example here. For a is equal to 4, b is equal to int a, because in those firstly a store values 4 as a string, and b always stored in the value in the variable a in the form of integer, means those are to be changed string to integer. Okay, understand? So in those Python can be stored different conversion of data is integer, float, complex, string, and boolean types function. Those are shown in the function, and int, float are represent data type. Data type means which value is to be stored and get a result in the form of her type. Sometimes taken a decimal values to using float, sometimes you taken a result in the form of integer using int. Okay, I hope you understand. So next is math library function. This is the last topic of your this slide. Math library function mostly use the mathematical problem, and those we implement in the program we have to be use math function. Okay, math function, math dot function name, those are shown in the example. Sometimes using factorial values you taken math dot factorial then argument. So here math with extension factorial and passes argument value of factorial. Math factorial 4 gives values 24. How he given 24? You know, in mathematics you will learn factorial of 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, and 24 1 ja 24. The result is 24. I hope you understand. So here I have to be show next two slides the functions and working of this function library mathematics. Okay, those are these. In those we have to learn see square root expression. Okay, I am to be mentioned see square root expression, logs, power values, sign. Okay, so next is here to show tangent values, degree, radians. Okay, understand students? Thank you for watching. I hope you understand betterly.